my brother.
Aman Racy.
Today me and my brother is going to make homemade clay.
Clay, yeah.
So our ingredients are ready. First we need one salt and 1 cup of water, 2 cup of maida and 2 bottle of food color. So we have to add oil.
Let's make clay.
Now let us start making. First we should pour water and we should add salt. We have to stir it well until it dissolves. Now the salt is almost dissolved. Now let us add the maida. So now our dough is almost ready. Anymore we have to add the color.
Let's make it 3 parts.
So now I am going to make it as 3 parts.
I am going to add yellow color. Let's mix it up. Clay is ready. You like my clay?
Now my clay is almost ready. Now we are going to make with acrylic color. So Aman is going to make acrylic. So our homemade clay is ready. This is yellow color, this is blue color, this is orange color. So I hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.